My name is Chris Tepp, and I'm a trial attorney at Allen & Allen. Personal injury attorneys have the privilege of representing people who are injured through no fault of their own. This includes your family members, your friends, and your coworkers. Despite the good work that we do in our communities, there are many myths surrounding personal injury attorneys that still persist today. Some people think it's really expensive to hire a personal injury attorney. Personal injury attorneys work almost exclusively on contingent fees. A contingent fee means that the attorney's fee is directly proportional to the client's recovery. They're hand in hand. There's no charge for hourly billing. There's no charge for initial telephone conversations. We don't charge by the hour. We charge by the result. Many people believe that hiring a personal injury attorney will add time to the resolution of their case, that it will take longer to get their recovery. It's important to understand that most insurance companies want to resolve claims as quickly as possible. They want injured people to sign a release because that release absolves them from any future responsibility related to that claim. They want it done quickly, not necessarily correctly. If your goal is to resolve your case as quickly as possible and you sign a release with the insurance company, you're forever barred from seeking additional compensation for your injuries. People who are injured often don't know the true nature and extent of their injury or the impact that it will have on their life. Some people may think that they don't need a personal injury attorney, that they can get as much as the attorney could by handling the case on their own. There's a tremendous imbalance in the power dynamic between the insurance company and the injured individual. Insurance companies do this for a living. They handle thousands and thousands of claims. Most injured people have never been through that process before. When negotiations break down and the insurance adjuster gives you their best and final offer, without an attorney, you're left with no choice. What are you going to do? When you're sick, you see a doctor. When you need a new roof, you see a roofer. We rely on specialists all the time. When you're injured in an accident, it's no different. You need the help of a specialist who's been through this process before and knows how it works. At Allen & Allen, as personal injury attorneys and as trial attorneys, we have the ability to file lawsuits to move the matter from the claims negotiation into the courtroom to get full and fair compensation for our clients. The insurance process is complicated. It's designed to be complicated. The prospect of filing a lawsuit, serving a lawsuit, going through complicated discovery, trying a case in front of a jury would be overwhelming for a layperson to navigate. It's a complex process, and you need a skilled individual with experience to navigate you through it. Some people think that by hiring a personal injury attorney, they're being greedy or asking for more than they're entitled to. That's not the case. People who are injured through no fault of their own are entitled by law to full and fair compensation, not unjust enrichment or more than they're entitled to. All we ask for is full and fair financial compensation for the injury that a person sustained and the impact that it's had on their life. Financial recovery doesn't erase the injury. It doesn't make up for the pain and the suffering and the inconvenience. Full and fair financial compensation is the only mechanism the law provides to address the harm that's been done to injured individuals in Virginia. Some people may think that by hiring a large law firm, they'll lose the benefit of individual attention for their case. We work hand in hand with every client to make sure that they get the attention and time necessary to obtain full and fair compensation for them, for their injuries, and for their situation. Injuries affect people's lives in very personal ways. It takes away the joy you have for riding a motorcycle, fishing with your children, hiking with your wife, all sorts of unique and specific impacts on every one of my clients. The concept of full and fair compensation is something that we deal with every day. What is the full and fair value for a broken arm? Not only the injury, but the medical treatment necessary to treat the injury, the time it takes to heal, and the lost opportunity and inconvenience associated with the road to recovery. When you hire the experienced trial attorneys at Allen & Allen, you allow us to navigate the insurance process, the complexities of your claim, while you focus on your injuries, your health, and your recovery. At Allen & Allen, we've been representing injured people for over 110 years. Our success is measured by the results we've gotten for those clients over that period of time. We are Allen & Allen. Call us.